Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look, and if you want to see how I created it, then keep on watching. First, I'm taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and applying it to my T-zone and whatever's left, just putting it outwards. Next, I'm taking this LA Colors Concealer in Peach and the LA Pro Concealer in the Orange color corrector shade. Then I'm taking this Real Techniques mini sponge and blending it all out. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 280 and the Mary Kay Luminous Liquid Foundation in the shade Ivory. And to apply and blend it all out, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain, and then this happened. It just shot out. Then I'm applying it to my T-zone, the side of my nose, and yeah, just under my eyes. I will applying a lot of concealer. Then I'm taking the Milani Retouch Plus Erase Light Lifting Concealer in the shade Fair. And to blend that all out, once again, I'm using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and blending it all out. To set that all in place, I'm taking my Coty Airspun translucent powder and just applying it to where I concealed, and I'm just pressing it in. And then I also set the rest of my face with this. So then after that, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Warm and just taking off that translucent powder I applied all over my face, and also just bringing the color back to my face so I don't look so pale and white. And to contour / bronze, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 355 Coconut. And to apply that, I'm taking my Morphe M529 brush and applying to the hollows of my cheeks and my forehead. Then to clean and / cut the bronzer and contour, I'm taking the translucent powder and just cleaning it. This is like my favorite part because it makes it really sharp and cut. Next, I'm taking my Disney brush, my favorite brush to contour my nose, and I'm taking that powder I used, the Maybelline Fit Me powder as well, and contouring my nose. Then I'm taking the translucent powder and cleaning the sides in the middle to make my nose look more snatched. Clean it up, hardcore. I have to have my little moments while I'm doing my makeup. But for blush, I'm taking the Milani Luminoso Big Blush, and to apply it, I took my Cinderella Disney brush, and then I'm wiping off all my bake with my Morphe M105 brush. Then I just set it quickly with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Then with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, I'm pressing all the spritz that's on my face into my face. I feel like it makes it more moisturized and hydrated. And for brows, I just did them off camera. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and the Anastasia brush in number 12. And I'm applying concealer to the eyes, prepping for eyeshadow using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Porcelain. Then, to set them in place, I'm taking my Coty Airspun translucent powder, and I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and using the shade Raw Sienna and applying it to the outer V and the crease of my eye. Next, I'm taking my Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Creamsicle and applying it over the shade that I already applied. And the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M573 brush. Next, I'm taking the shade Roxanne and applying it to the outer V to deepen the color more. And I'm trying to match my outfit as well, so I'm using deeper and deeper tones of colors each time. And I'm just blending it out with the same Morphe M573 brush. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Jax and applying it over that color to once again deepen the outer V even more. And I'm still using the same Morphe brush. I can only use one brush. I don't need to be using like 5 brushes like everyone else does. I'm okay with one brush. It does the job just as well for me. And I just got the Modern Renaissance mirror so I can look more closer and blend it all out. Then I'm taking the shade Queen and Minx with my Morphe M43 brush and applying it to the lid. Then I'm taking my Morphe M169 brush with the shade Chip and applying it to the outer V to deepen it more. And to blend it out, I'm taking my Morphe M573 brush. And for underneath the eyes, I'm taking the Anastasia brush in the palette with the shade Red Ochre and just smoking out my lower lash line. And I'm taking the shade Abyss with my Morphe M217 brush and putting it in my waterline. Then I'm taking my lashes, which I get at my local beauty supply store, with the Star Glue eyelash adhesive in clear. Then I'm taking my I Am mascara, and since I live in San Diego, I cannot find it nowhere here, so I have to go to TJ and buy it. But I'm applying it to my top and bottom lashes. Then for my highlighter today, I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold with my Morphe 510 brush. And then for my setting spray, I'm taking the Evian Natural Mineral Water Facial Spray with my Real Techniques sponge and pressing it all in. Then to make my highlighter really poppin', I apply more highlighter. Then I am putting on some baby hoops since I'll be going out. And I'm taking my Herbal Essence mousse and applying it to my hair, scrunching it up. This is my go-to hairstyle, especially when I am in a rush. Next, I am putting on my necklace, and it actually matches my ring. Then I am taking the Fenty Beauty gloss bomb and applying it to my lips. It's my favorite gloss ever. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.